How do you making to the orange juice? At first I have bought to the some fresh orange from the market, and then I washed it all properly, and the pieces of orange put into the juicer's machines and switch on the board, and then the separate juices are poured into the bottles. How do you washing the dirty clothes? As fast as I selected and collected the dirty clothes and put into the washing machines, and then I close to it and some water and detergents poured into it and close to it, and then I switch to the board and open to the machines starting. Then it moved, and after wash to it all dirty clothes, I dry to it all, and then it should be ready for using it. How are you, Rina? I am not well. Why are you not well? I am not well because I have been suffering for the disease. What is the disease? Have been you suffering? I have been suffering for the disease fever. How many days have been you suffering? I have been suffering for 5 days. Take you any medicines? Yes, but not relief. I suggest to you, you should be to the doctor's appointment, and you should be to go to the doctors for recover. Yes, it is the right suggestions. I am decided that I shall go to the doctors for recovery. Myself, Mimi Ghosh, I completed MA and B.Ed course. I like to study different varieties books for progressive and success in my life, and according to knowledge, and I like to watching the TV programs and other social activities. Sir, may I come in here? Yes, come here and take your seat. Why are you interested for participate in this teacher's job? I am thinking that teacher's job is the ideal and good job. A ideal teachers can to give the proper teaching. So it is the best and ideal job. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 35,000 salary. Hi, sir, can you help to me? Yes, I want to help you, but why have you need any help? I am founding to the post office. Where is it exactly? Please go straight and turn left, and then look at the buildings, red colors building, and nearby to the post office. Yes, thank you. Hi Rina, how are you? I am well. Why are you not meeting to me? I am very confused for meeting and seeing with you. I am very busy, and my office work is special, but I have not time, but I am trying also to meeting and seeing with you on the weekend day. Yes, I am waiting for you. Hi Rina, please welcome and take your seat. I call to and invite you in this restaurant for meeting and seeing you. After the long times, I was very confused. So I want to meeting and seeing you. So I invited to you. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is Chinese food. I am very excited to meeting and seeing with you. In the unity of the diversity, the varieties, customs, and different languages, I participate in this country and their state. In this country and their celebrations to the all occasions in this country, and they are the part of the Indian associations. How do you enjoy in the Durga Puja? I and my family members are very enjoyed in this Durga Puja occasion. I am spending to my company and have a fun of loss in these occasions. Our national flags have three different colors. The top of colors saffron, the middle of the colors white, and the bottom of the colors green, and in the middle the Ashok Chakra is. How are you, Tina? I am not well. Why are you not well? I am not well because I have been suffering for the disease. What is the disease have been suffering? I have been suffering for the disease of stomach pain. So I am not well. I suggestions to you that you should be to go to the doctors and have an appointment. Yes, it is the right suggestions. I shall go to the doctors. Hi doctor, may I come in? Yes, come here and take your seat. What is the disease have been you suffering? I have been suffering for the disease stomach pain. Yes, I want to checking you and then I give you prescriptions and follow to the medicines. Yes, thank you. What should be doctors' attention? Doctors' main attention should be to give attention to their patients, and they should be trying also to survive and give treatments to their patients. Subhash Chandra Bose is the national hero. He was the national hero and leader. He was the great sacrifice for achievements to the freedoms, and it was his dream. Hi mom, what are you? I am digging to the hole. Why are you digging to the hole? I am digging to the hole because I have the plant. What is the plant? I have the apple tree. Yes, oh, but how does it grow up? It grows up at fast and slowly. So we should be to take care it properly.